One is outside, I think. If you put both roosters on. Oh, I see some sticks up there. I see sticks up there.
Mm-hmm.
Chickens are not orange. I see some black and orange chicken. It's looking. It's looking. It's looking. It's looking. It's looking. It's looking. What's that duck doing? Ooh. The ducks are trying to fight. Those ducks are fighting. No fighting. No fighting, ducks. And, oh, I can touch that tree. We gotta go under.
Mm-hmm.
It got stuck in my hair. Oh, it's fighting. No fighting. Little rude ducks. Look at the ducks.
Yeah.
What are they fighting for?
They okay?
Why are they fighting? Ew. Mom, I see a geese. I see the geese. Goose. Oh, goose. No fish. I didn't know ducks can eat bugs. Do ducks eat bugs?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you eat bugs? I need to feed the ducks a worm. It's a worm, a worm, and a worm, and a herm, a pern, and a worm. But ducks swim in water, but this is a farm. This is a farm. Look at this. Every animal in the place. Every animal in the place. Uh-oh, don't even step in the mud when ducks swim.